Let's go back to our house. I don't understand what you are talking
We are law-abiding legislators, and that is why you have not seen violence all this while. We have our rules and orders in the House, and it gives us, both the standing order and the Constitution gives us the right to elect our Speaker. The Speaker is not in any way higher than members. It's just a first among equal. And whoever the members says is their Speaker is their Speaker. And that is what was demonstrated this afternoon. We just want to pass it to the whole world that there is, or there has been a change in the leadership of this honorable House. And at least 18 out of 26 members have unanimously signed, supported, and picked me to be their new Speaker. I am not their boss. I am only the one that will speak for them to guide their interest, protect their interest. That is what we just have done, or we have just done. We expect our people, we plead with our people to please remain calm. We have adjourned for a week. We are in custody of all the authorities of the House. We will want to appreciate His Excellency. We thank God for the just decided Supreme Court judgment. If not for that, I think this thing would have come up long. But we wouldn't want him to, we want him to be fully concentrated. In as much as we are congratulating him, we are saying the new set of leadership that we have is the leadership that will henceforth direct and rule over the House. I want to exonerate the members of staff. Prior to the hatching of this plan, they didn't know anything about it. But they are our landlords. But in this case, a tenant of 4 years is somehow greater than the landlord of 35 years. So we have told them this is what we want in our house. So nobody should be witch-hunted or punished for anything. We take responsibility for everything we have done today. Any question? Not an offense. Offenses. We will avail you with the hard copy of all the offenses. You will have to liaise with the media section. We will give them. They will let you have everything.
You said the sign. Can we have
Grace of God, inshallah, that is our governor till May 29, 2027. And we are not out to fight governor or to do anything. But we are here in the interest of the masses. And we are working against anything that will not allow us to perform our duties. Oftentimes, you people pressed, you have been saying, is a rubber stamp house, is a plastic stamp house, is this, is that.
It has no correlation. You can see what we have achieved today. Both members of the ruling party and opposition came together to rescue the state. So the entire members of opposition fully participated in this change of leadership, and we take full responsibility of the whole thing as it's unfolded.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.